planes in the sky. None. Okay, there's one little plane way up there. It's white. I don't know if you can see it. It's in between the trees right there. It's really small and really high up, so I don't think it'll be making that kind of a noise reverberating through the canyon. And it doesn't sound like a plane reverberating through the canyon. I've lived here for a year. It doesn't sound like that. It certainly as hell doesn't last this long. It's been happening. This is about 10 o'clock this morning. It's about 8 right now. Pacific Standard Time. It certainly does not go with the wind gusts that are knocking about 50 miles an hour right now.